How to log into Telegram account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to log into Telegram account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Telegram application on your device. Now once you access to the welcome screen of Telegram, tap Start Messaging button. Now tap Continue button to allow Telegram to receive calls and enter your country and the phone number. Tap the country at top of the screen and here, using the search bar at top right corner, type in your country name. Once you type in the country name, select that and automatically the code will enter on the phone number section. So now you have to enter the phone number and tap on the arrow at bottom right corner of the screen. Now a code will be sent to your email address. Simply you have to check your email and enter the 5-digit codes here. Now tap Allow button in order to allow Telegram to send you notifications. Now you are successfully logged into your Telegram account. That is how we successfully log into the Telegram account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.